Good afternoon, y'all. My name's Joe. Welcome back to Z-Fighter Performance Garage. On today's vlog, we are not working on the 2000 Dodge Viper GTS build. Instead, we are out at the shop. We haven't been out here in quite some time as far as the channel is concerned, so wanted to do a little bit of a in-between video and kind of talk about what's going on with our builds. Yes, we are still finishing up the Dodge Viper 2000 GTS. Unfortunately, I ordered some parts and they're still not in yet. So hopefully they come in soon, and next week we can kind of wrap up a lot of that car and we can go forward from there. You did see in the last video that we were able to program our key fob and reset that system. We got that one key fob programmed. However, when we went to start the car, the battery was dead. So we threw the battery on a charge, and we're gonna dive back into that car here soon, but wanted to come out to the shop to kind of let you know that we are gonna be starting a new build. Yes, during finishing up the Dodge Viper build, we're gonna start our Datsun 240Z race car builds. We have two of them. We have the Orange Series 1, which is kind of gonna be a little bit longer of a build because that car we're gonna do just an insane, crazy CP vintage build. We might do carbon fiber pieces and a full 3-liter Rebello built engine, something along those lines. It's gonna be a crazy build. Just stay tuned for that build. Now, on the flip side of that, the blue Datsun 240Z that we acquired for free, we're gonna end up doing a budget build, CP vintage race car. And what that entails is, yes, we're gonna spend money on certain items. You know, you can't skip on certain things. For safety is one. Engine, I mean, we're gonna be building kind of a, you know, the rules for what class we're gonna be in and all of those. You know, we're gonna do it correct, but we're gonna see if we can get that car built without breaking the bank, so to speak. So that car we're actually going to be bringing into the shop today. So kind of what we're doing today's video is I'm going to be cleaning the shop and making some room for that blue Datsun 240Z to come inside. We already have the Series 1, the Orange Series 1 inside the shop. So they're going to kind of be inside, and we're going to figure out which one we're going to start building first, which is more than likely the blue Datsun 240Z. So we're going to end up putting it center of our shop and get it up on jack stands and start going through making checklists, figure out what all we need, and pretty much go forward from there. So that's going to be kind of what we're doing in today's video, and I hope you like today's video. So first thing, before I start cleaning, I did also want to state that this lovely hole in the back of our shop, which is going to house probably the Series 1 Datsun 240Z, which is sitting right there at the moment, is where our Lamborghini Diablo Roadster kit car was. And I say was because last weekend we did sell it. Unfortunately, I didn't feel that we were going to get to that build anytime soon. And by anytime soon, I mean years from now. So unfortunately, it had to go. Needed the room. Race car builds take up a lot of time, a lot of money, and a lot of room. So unfortunately, it did have to go. So I'll be cleaning this area and moving the Datsun 240Z Series 1 back there and bringing in the blue Datsun 240Z. And And that's how we load a Datsun 240Z, huh?
Tri-legged.
Tri-legged.
Hey, let me raise the door. You gonna fit?
Should be a jack stand.
Yeah.
Let me know when you want me to grab it.
Go ahead.
Over here?
Yeah.
Sorry, sir.
Oh, no, you good.
Put it,
That'll work.
So with the assistance of Mike, he was able to put the blue 240Z into the shop. We have quite a bit of work to go, but at this point we have 3 S30s in the shop. This car we're not sure what we're doing with just yet. This may be a restoration build. This is definitely going to be a CP vintage race car along with our blue 71 240Z, which this is the one we're going to start with. That one we'll build as we go. But so just a quick little rundown of the car. We do need passenger and driver's side door. We do need a rear hatch. We are going to cut out the back area for a probably 15-gallon fuel cell. It does have rust. It does have body damage. We don't care. It's a race car. It has already been stripped by the previous owner or owners. And we do have the hood already, the front buckets. I do have another fender already ready to go for this car. And we do have the engine that is going in this car is going to be this engine right here. We ran this in the previous CP vintage race car that I built for the owner that I work for, and this thing placed 4th in a race weekend in its very first time out. So right when we completed the car, this motor placed us on 4th for the race weekend. So it's pretty cool. So that one's actually going to go in this car. I'll probably get some triple Webers, 45 DOCEs, something along those lines. And yeah, I'm definitely excited to start this build. And hopefully you liked today's video. If you did, please don't forget to hit the like button as well as the subscribe button. Also, please turn on any post notifications so that way you get all of our updated videos and all of our new content. And we will be releasing some more information about, you know, our channel and our builds. And basically we're just, you know, a couple of ordinary guys building some cars. So we appreciate you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.